In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a rectangle in TradingView, one of the simplest but most powerful tools for marking support and resistance zones, consolidation areas, and key price regions. If you're learning technical analysis, this is a tool you'll use almost every day. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your chart on TradingView. You can use any symbol, stocks, crypto, forex, it doesn't matter. Once your chart is open, look at the left-hand toolbar, which contains all your drawing tools. Find the icon that looks like a brush. When you hover over or click on it, a small menu will appear showing different shapes: rectangle, ellipse, triangle, and more. Click on Rectangle. Now move your mouse onto the chart. Click once to mark the first corner of the rectangle. Drag your cursor to set the size and shape. Click again, and your rectangle will be placed on the chart. You can now use the rectangle to highlight support zones, resistance levels, consolidation ranges, supply and demand areas. If you want to adjust it, simply click on the rectangle. You'll see handles appear on the corners and edges. You can drag those to resize it, or click and drag the entire rectangle to move it around. To customize it, look for the settings icon that appears above the rectangle once it's selected. From here, you can change the fill color, border thickness, transparency, background shading. This helps you style your charts exactly the way you prefer, and that's all it takes to draw a rectangle in TradingView. Simple, fast, and extremely useful for almost any charting strategy. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.